NVIDIA just dropped a brand new 4K workflow for ComfyUI. And today, we're putting it to the test. We'll compare the results with and without a LoRA, and find out if this is the best AI upscaler available right now.
Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna teach you how to install and use NVIDIA PiD, like Pixel Diffusion Decoder. So this allows you to generate 2K, 4K using ZTurbo, Qwen, Flux, you name it. They keep updating it, so probably when you're gonna see this video, something will be slightly different. And what I'm talking about specifically is the files you can download from here. So let's go back to here. You can find which one you should download according to the model and the VIA you're using. And you can just take a look here and then file and versions, checkpoints, and let's go. Now, first of all, if you want to use or like customize, let's call it, workflow, you can just go in our Discord channel, download it, like in this case. And now let's go on ComfyUI. Let's drag and drop this. And here we are. I didn't modify so much. Mostly I added here some instruction with links so you don't have to get crazy with it. So when you're gonna use this workflow, first of all, you're gonna notice that PID conditioning is going to be red. So you're missing this node probably. And we're gonna fix this in a second. And then sure thing, probably you're gonna miss this one, Gemma 2, and this one, the diffusion model, that in this case is model EMA. And that's pretty much it. So let's take a look immediately. First of all, I strongly recommend you to download and install those two models. So here you can go and click download Gemma. And here we are. You can download both, but I strongly recommend Gemma 2. The first one, 5.23 gigabytes. For quality is absolutely the best. It should work even using Gemma, the second Gemma, like 2.62 gigabytes. But I had some issue with like green lights or something like that. So I strongly recommend you to use Gemma, the first Gemma file. So let's pretend to download because I already downloaded. And let's kill it. And then we're gonna download like the PID Flux file. Here you will find the direct link to it, and according to your VRAM you can download wherever you want. In this tutorial specifically, we're gonna use an NVIDIA 4070 Super and a 5090. So here I'm gonna use both scenario, like the second version of it. Let's click and let's pretend to download this one too. Be careful, because if you're gonna bump into some issue, like you see the colors are really strange, probably you fucked up with the model. So just pick the right one. If you're a little bit lost, because yeah, it's a little bit confusing, ask ChatGPT, it should be able to support you. And that's pretty much it. Now that we downloaded everything, let's pretend we put in our ComfyUI. Let's open our folder. Here we are, ComfyUI. Then we look for models. And first of all, we're going to look for diffusion models. And here we are, you see, model EMA. You just copy, paste, drag and drop wherever it is, and you're done. And then we will go to text encoder. Let's take a look. Let's look for it. I couldn't see anything at the moment. I'm sorry. Where the fuck is this text encoder? Ah, I'm retarded. Sorry, I'm far away from the screen. And you drag and drop your Gemma too. And that's very much it. Now we go back to ComfyUI, and this is the important part. First of all, you go to your manager, update ComfyUI, click. Just wait that everything is installed properly and restart. At this point, this should be working, and here you just need to change the model So if you export this one with your models, like, it will be always ready to go. If you're gonna use mine, yes, you need to click here, unit name, and select the right model. In this case, model Emma. At this point, we can proceed with the generation. So in this case, we can take a look at the prompt, like realistic lion drinking tea in the forest, dress up like a gentleman with a white rabbit. So let's take a look. Everything seems fine. If you want, you can deactivate and activate the LoRA. We're gonna run a test later using our LoRA, a LoRA model we trained yesterday, maybe even this morning. I don't know, we're gonna take a look. Okay, in order to generate this lion, it took approximately 3 minutes and a half using my 4070 Super. And now let's take a look at our 5090. Here it took around like 1 minute and a half. And somehow here we will compare the result. As you can notice, the detail like in the 4K is massive, so the image is absolutely crisp, fantastic. So whoa, NVIDIA did it again. That's a massive upgrade. Just imagine what you can do right now, and we can like implement such diffusing model like in, I don't know, editing. Like I was thinking already, perhaps I will try to put this inside of Stable Pixel. If you don't know what Stable Pixel is, just take a look at a channel. You can download for free in our Discord as always. And no, it seems lovely. So now let's take a look. Let's test a LoRA. So let's activate LoRA and let's just run the workflow. And now we're gonna wait. Let's take a look. We're gonna do in real time without cuts this time. Let's wait. So as you can see, like for 5090, in order to produce like the first image with Z Turbo is, I don't know, was something like 4 seconds. That's massive as always. Like 5090 is a monster, guys. Like you can train, you can do whatever you want. Like sadly I couldn't train videos, like I made it crash a couple times when I was trying to train using a small data set of 200 videos. It completely exploded. Perhaps is because I don't save so much. Like let's take a look. Wait a moment, I'm connected to my computer, so let's move. There's the PowerShell. I'm sorry guys, but I'm using this from remote. So, okay, it's working. What was that, like 2 minutes I think? 1 minute and a half? I don't remember. But let's take a look at our LoRA. Let's zoom. Fantastic. Fantastic. Like look at the hair, look at the skin, look at details. It was already a nice image, I have to say, but this makes it much sharper.
If you liked the video, put like, comment, and follow for more.